This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we're going to be getting a dryer off of a washer that's stacked. So I'm spraying a little bit of soapy water, or you can use Windex, below the feet of the washer. And now we're going to open the washer door and grab the frame, and we're going to be pulling out. So we need to get this washer and dryer out of the closet. Usually there's enough of a vent tube and enough gas line that allow you to pull out both the washer and the dryer and give you a little access room. So we got it out far enough now where we can get in behind it. A lot of times these are in a tight spot, so just take your time. What I'm doing now is I have a recycling bin, and I'm going to lift the dryer up onto the recycling bin, and I'm going to pull it over the recycling bin so I can wheel it away. I've already removed the little clamps that connect the dryer to the washer on the back. I'm unplugging the dryer, already took off the vent tube, turned off the gas. Now I'm going to use a crescent wrench to grab the compression fitting and turn lefty-loosey to remove it. So I've removed the vent tube, the power, turned off the gas. Now I've removed the gas line, and now I can wheel away the dryer. So I'm going to make sure it's all the way, the weight of the dryer is all the way up over the recycling bin. And the recycling bin has wheels, so it's easy to do this. Usually if your garbage can or recycling bin is a little bit lower than the washer, it makes it easier to get the dryer onto the bin. If the bin's taller, then you have to kind of lift the dryer, which is a bit harder to do. Today I'm also going to put in a drip pan underneath the washing machine, so I just tilt it back to 45 degrees, take the drip pan, and I push it in underneath the washing machine. And these are good on a second story in case the washing machine leaks. You don't have the water leaking down through the floor to the first story. Now I'm going to gently bring the washing machine down onto the drip pan, and I'll pull it out over the lip in the back so the washing machine is actually fully on the drip pan. And then I can just push the drip pan and the washing machine back in. So thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe when you get a chance.